When you search for solutions online, it shouldn't feel like crossing an endless desert. Find your digital oasis and discover a 360 degrees digital platform designed to connect seamlessly with the Emuca Solutions ecosystem. The Emuca Digital Oasis is made up of 4 key components, each one designed to support you from initial inspiration through to day-to-day management and direct connection with our team. Unlimited inspiration on our website, designed to activate your projects and help you visualize real solutions from the very first moment. Access thousands of application images, videos, catalogs and room-based environments, all designed to make decision-making easier. Find technical tools such as views and 3D files to turn every idea into a real project. A private purchasing area where you manage your activity with complete autonomy. An optimized customer area with 24/7 access, allowing you to organize users, roles and processes from a single place. Fast purchasing with code-based searches and full control at all times. With real-time order tracking, purchase history and incident management. An app to keep all the information in your pocket. Access projects, catalogs and ideas directly from your mobile. Receive smart notifications about order status, promotions and new product launches. The Experience Center is the space where the Oasis connects you with our team. Take part in live product webinars with real assembly and application demonstrations. All of Emuca connected in one single digital environment, built for you. Inspiration, purchasing, management and experience designed to support you at every stage of your projects.